Good morning, students. In the last period, your chapter number 16, Water, a Precious Resource, was completed. Today, I am going to start your chapter number 5, Acid, Bases, and Salts. In this chapter, you will learn about acids, bases, and neutral substances. Natural indicators around us. Neutralization process, neutralization in everyday life. Now, see the chapter. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, and vinegar. Do they have the same taste? Students, in our daily life we are using many more substances. From that, some examples are mentioned here like lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar, and vinegar. And here one question was asked here: do they have same taste? No, they are having different tastes, like salty, like sour, like bitter. They are having different tastes. Let us recall the taste of some edible substances listed in table 5.1. Here downside table 5.1 was there, and there some substances are mentioned. Edible substances are mentioned, and we have to write the taste of that particular substance. If you have not tested any of these substances, test it now and enter the result in table 5.1. One question was given there: do not test anything unless asked to do so, and do not touch anything unless asked to do so. Now see the table 5.1. Simple activity it is. You have to taste the substance and you have to write it is sour, bitter, sweet, or salty in a nature. You have to write in the column. Now first substance is lemon juice and it is sour in taste. Orange juice, bitter in taste. Vinegar, sour. Curd, sour in taste. Tamarind, sour in taste. Sugar, sweet in taste. We are aware about that. Common salt, salty in nature. Amla, slightly bitter and sour taste. Baking soda, salty. Grapes, sour or sweet. And unripe mango, sour in taste. Now, you find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet, and some taste salty. Some taste salty. When we complete, suppose I am already given the answer, you want to perform it, you can perform in your home. And when you perform this activity, after that, you find out some of these substances have taste sour, some of them have taste in bitter taste, some of them have sweet taste, and some of them have salty taste. Now see our first point: acids and bases. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar taste sour. The materials which are mentioned, the substances which are mentioned in table 5.1, there are some examples are mentioned here: curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar. Those are having sour taste. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. They contain acids, and the chemical nature of these substances is acidic. Is acidic. Now, the substances which are having sour taste, those substances are contain acids, and the chemical nature of these substances is called as an acidic. And the word acid is comes from Latin word acer, which means sour, and the acidic word it comes from the Latin word acer, and which means sour. The acids in these substances are natural acids, and the acids which are found in these substances are natural acids because we found them naturally, like curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar. Now the next one: what about baking soda? What about baking soda? Does it also taste in sour? No, taste is different. If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has no acids in it. So baking soda is not in a sour taste. That's why it does not contain a acid. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between the fingers, it feels soapy, like soap solution. If you rub the solution, if you rub the baking soda solution in your fingers, between the fingers, you feel soapy. Substance like these, which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, are known as bases. And the substances which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching, that is called as a bases. And the nature of these substances are said to be basic. Are said to be basic. If we cannot test every substance, how do we find its nature? Now in world or in on the earth, many more substances are there. We cannot test every substance, right? For that purpose, here one question is asked, if we cannot test every substance, how do we find its nature? Suppose many more substances are there in the front, maybe poison will be there, maybe many more substances are there. We cannot test each and every substance. For that purpose, how we find out the nature of that substance? It is basic, it is acidic, how we will find out? Now here some special type of substance are used to test whether the substance is acidic or basic. Some special types of substances are available and that is used to test the substance is acidic or basic in nature, and these substances are known as indicators. These substances are known as indicators. What is the use of indicators? They show us the substance is acidic or basic in nature. The indicators change their color when added to solution containing an acidic or basic substance. What is the use of indicator? The indicator, it changes the color when added to the solution which contains acidic or basic substance. Turmeric, litmus, china petals, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. Turmeric, litmus, china rose petals, these are the some naturally occurring indicators. Now here most information are provided here. Do you know name of the acid and found in? First one, acetic acid, which is found in vinegar. Formic acid, which is found in ant string. Citric acid, which is found in citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. Lactic acid, which is found in curd. Oxalic acid, which is found in spinach. Ascorbic acid, which is called contains vitamin C, which is found in amla and citrus fruits. Tartaric acid, which is found in tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. All these acids mentioned above, which is occur in nature, all are occur in nature. Now name of the bases and found in: calcium hydroxide, which is found in lime water. Ammonium hydroxide, which is found in window cleaner. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, which is found in soap. Magnesium hydroxide, found in milk of magnesia. Which is basic in nature. Now here downside, one question was there, can I test all the substances to find their test? Now at the starting of the chapter, one question was mentioned there. No, have you not read the question? We should not test unknown substances, they could harm us. Now in the world many more substances are there. We cannot test all the substances because any substance will be harmful for us. For that purpose we cannot test any substance. Now here our next point, natural indicators around us. And the first one, litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. Now here also in our lab also litmus papers are available. When school will be reopened, that time I will show you how to use the litmus paper and how we'll find out if the given substance is acidic or basic in nature. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichen, a plant lichen. It has a purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to basic solution, it turns into blue color. Now the litmus paper, which is extracted from the lichen plant, and it has a purple color, and when it is added to the acidic solution, it turns into the red color. And when it is added to the basic solution, it turns into the blue color. It is available in the form of solution or in the form of strips of the paper, which is called as a litmus paper. Generally it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Here two diagrams are given there, pictures are there. First one, lichene plant, and second one, red and blue litmus paper. Now see, next point, activity 5.1. Activity 5.1, simple activity it is. Mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cup, tumbler or test tube. You can take plastic cup also, lemon juice. This activity will be, we will perform when school will be reopened. That time we will perform this activity in laboratory. Mix some water with the lemon juice in a plastic cup, tumbler or test tube. Put a drop of above solution on the strip of the red litmus paper with the helper with the help of dropper. What we have to do, we have to take lemon juice with the some water, we have to mix it properly. Afterwards we have to put a drop of solution of lemon juice solution on the litmus paper, red litmus paper. Is change in color? No. Repeat the same exercise with the blue litmus paper. Yes, blue changes into the red color, and note down if there is any change in color, and perform the same activity with the following substances. Now first I want to tell you what is the changes of the color, what are the changes of the color in acidic and basic solution. Now there are two colors of litmus paper. One is a red litmus paper and another one is a blue litmus paper. In acidic solution, blue litmus paper changes into the red color, but red color litmus paper remains same. And in a basic solution, red changes into the blue color, but blue remains same. In this way we have to perform the activity. Now here, note down if there is any change in color. Perform the same activity with the following substances. Many more substances are given downside, and we have to perform the same activity for them, and we have to find out there is a change in color or not, and from that we have to bifurcate them into acidic, basic and neutral substances. Now here, first one, tap water, detergent solution, aerated drink, soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, washing soda solution, lime water. If possible, make solution in distilled water. Many more solutions are given there, and we have to perform this activity, and afterwards we have to record our observations in table 5.2, which is given downside. In your table, are there any substance on which litmus had no effect? Name those substances. Now there are some substances are there which do not show change in a blue litmus paper also, and on red litmus paper also. That also we have to mention there. And the solutions which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus paper is known as neutral solutions. And these substances are neither acidic or nor basic. Now this activity, first I want to tell you there are two types of litmus paper, one red and one blue litmus paper. Now there are now here in this chapter mentioned three types of substances are there. One is acidic, basic and neutral substance. When the substance is acidic, in that blue litmus paper changes into the red color, but red color it remains same. Suppose the substance is basic in nature, that time red color litmus paper changes into the blue color, but blue color litmus paper remains same. And some substances are there, some neutral substances are there, in that they do not change the color. Of blue litmus paper also and red litmus paper also. They remain same in that solution. These are called as neutral substances or neutral solutions. Now here table 5.2 are mentioned there. Serial number, test of solution, effect on red litmus paper. Suppose it will be changes into the blue, you can write there, and suppose remains same in this way. Effect on blue litmus paper, it changes into the red or remains same. Inference, it means acidic or basic. Now here I will tell you the acidic, basic and neutral substances. Acidic, tap water but which is more than 7 pH, shampoo, aerated drinks, vinegar. Basic detergent solution, soap solution, baking soda, washing soda, lime water, and milk of magnesia. And neutral substance, common salt solution and sugar solution. Common salt solution and sugar solution. Here some information was provided there. To prepare lime water, dissolve some lime. Lime is chuna in water in a bottle. Stir the solution and keep it for some time and pour little from the top. This is called lime water. This is called lime water. In this way you can prepare the lime water and you can perform the activity. Today up to this we covered. Remaining part we will see in the next period.